Okay, so now we're going to look at the relations between the sets. Example 1, a relation from set A, which includes 12, 14, 23, 25, and 43, to set B, which is 3, 5, and 7, is defined by sum of digits of. So the question wants us to represent the relation by A, an arrow diagram, B, ordered pairs, and C, a graph. Okay, so let's take a look for the arrow diagram first. For set A, there's 12, 14, 23, 25, and 43. So let's put dots next to the numbers and we draw a circle or an oval, however you may call it. And then we draw for the set B, we have 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so it says here, it is defined by sum of digits of. So what does it mean? Okay, let's take a look at 12. If you separate 1 and 2 and you plus them together, you will get 3. So the sum of digits of 3 is 1 plus 2. Okay, 14, we separate and we plus them, we get 5. Okay, I'm sorry, the arrow should be drawn here. Okay, so for now 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, and then 2 and 3, when you plus them, you also get 5. And 25, when you plus them, you get 7. 4 plus 3 equals to 7 also. So this is the arrow diagram for the sets. Okay, after this we're going to look into the ordered pairs. For the ordered pairs, just now we have 12 linked to 3. So how we write them down? It's 12 and after that 3. Do not exchange the position, yeah? It is important that 12 comes first and then only that. You write down the 3. And then 14 with 5. 23 also with 5. 25 with 7. And lastly, 43 with 7. So this is the ordered pairs, how you should write it down. Okay, now let's take a look at the graph. Question C. First, we're going to draw the x-axis and then y-axis. After that, you write down 12, 14, 23, 25, and 43. For the y-axis, we have 3, 5, and 7. Actually, you can also not write the x and y. Okay, so for 12, the pair is 3. For 14, it is 5. Okay, so before that, you can also draw lines. Lines like this. Okay, I didn't draw it nicely, but you can draw better than me. Okay? Again, 14 with 5, 23 with 5, 27, and this is 43. Just like that. You don't need to connect them. Leave it like that. So that's how we do the graph. Okay, now we're going to do some exercise. So the question is, represent each of the following relations by A, B, and C, just like what we did just now. And then we're going to look into the first question, the relation remainder when divided by 5. From set A, 6, 12, 18, 24, to set B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as usual, what do? We draw for the arrow diagram. We put down A, and then write down all the numbers that is in set A. And then set B, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it is remainder when divided by 5. Okay, so when 6 you divide it by 5, you will get a remainder of 1. Just connect it here. 12, when you divide it by 5, the remainder is 2. And 18, we divide by 5. No, it's not 5 over there. It is 3, which is 15. The remainder is 3. And 24, divide by 5. The remainder is 4. So the remainder are the ones down here, okay? So that's how we draw the arrow diagram. Next, we're going to write down the ordered pairs one. Okay, I'm gonna erase this first. Okay, for question B, ordered pairs, very simple. 6, 1. Just look at the arrow diagram also, you can write the ordered pairs very easily. 12 with 2, 18 with 3, and 24 with 4. That's all. Okay, now see the graph. Okay, this time I try to draw it nicely lah. Okay. Okay. Then we got set A on the x-axis. Okay, got some extra there, but never mind, it's okay. Okay, just like that. Finish already. Or you can also just simply, if you're already good at it, just do it without the red lines. Just like that. Okay. So we're going to move to the question number 2. It's still the same question. It's just here is Roman 2. Okay. Okay, now question 2. The relation factors of from set P to set Q, where P equals to Q and Q equals to 2, 3, 4, 8. which basically means set P and set Q are just the same. So P, Q, 2, 3, 4, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. So it says here factors of. Okay, so what are the factors of 2? 1 times 2 equals to 2, right? So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So we got 2 over there, just connect them. And same goes to factors of 3. 1 times 3 equals to 3. So you have 3 over there as a factor of 3. And 4, 1 times. And then don't forget that 2 times 2 also 4, yeah? So the factors are 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so Q only have 2 and 4. So we do it like this. Okay, 8. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. No other else, right? So we have 1, 2, 4, 8. So in set Q, we only have 2, 4, and 8. So 8 is connected to 2, 4, and 8. Okay, that's how we draw the arrow diagram. After this, we're going to look into the ordered pairs. I guess by now you know already how you should do it. Okay, B, ordered pairs. We have 2, 2. We also have, okay, so remember, yeah, it's from P to Q. So I will write down the P first, which is 3. So the Q is 3. And 4, we have 4 with 2. And also 4 with 4. And after that, 8 with 2. 8 with 4. And 8 with 8. Okay. So how about the graph? It's very simple actually. 2, 3, 4, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. Basically, set P, you will have like 2 numbers that are connected with the set P, right? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 with 2, and 4. 8 with 2, 8 with 4, and 8 with 8. So the graph will look like this. So now we are going to look at the next question, last question I suppose, which is Roman 3. Okay. The relation difference of digits of from set X, which is 14, 21, 23, 34, and 48, to set Y, 1, 3, and 4. Let's draw the arrow diagram first. Okay, X, you have 14. Okay, I think I should draw it here. 21, 23, 34, and 48. For set Y, 1, 3, and 4. So it says difference of digits of. I'm sorry, my handwriting is very ugly, so you can write it beautifully and nicely, okay? Okay, difference digits. That basically means for 1 and 4, you can swap the position, which is 4, 1, and then when you minus, you get 3. So basically, the 14 will be linked to 3. And 4, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, you get 1. For 23, you can swap the position. It will become 3 minus 2 equals to 1. And 34 also swap position. Switch the position will become 1 also. And 48 basically means 8 minus 4, which is 4. Okay. Now we're going to write down the ordered pairs. Okay. Question B. Just copy them down. 14 with 3. I'm sorry. Okay, and then 21 with 1. And then 23 with 1. 34 also with 1. And 48 with 4. Okay. Photograph. Okay. Here is 1, 2, 3. 14, 21, 23, 34, 48. Okay. Alright. 14 with 3 here. 21 with 1. 23 with 1. 34 with 1. And lastly, 48 with 4. Okay, I think I write down it wrong. Actually, it's not 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 3, and 4. So 14 with 3 is here. Okay. Okay, and then 48 with 4. Okay, I hope you can understand lessons for today. Thank you.